Birdsong makes me squirm, 'cause I've learned to assume it's from a man standing by the road, cig in tow, making all kinds of demands. Smile sugar sweet, eyes concrete, I stare intensely, longing to appear so austere, with a pinch of strong and angry. I like looking bad, like a bag, feeling the security of thinking no one's there who would care or make remarks at me. When I'm feeling fine, I resign to the fact that there are eyes who won't let me be as carefree as they were when they were 9. I wish I could be safe inside my skin. I was 9 when I skidded by and a big white truck stopped by me. 2 grown men were there, I was scared, and they whistled at my hiney. Please stop staring, it would be one thing if I thought they knew me, but I don't think they do, and it's rude. I should know, 'cause I like staring. I wish I could be safe inside my skin. Safe inside my skin. Birdsong makes me squirm, 'cause I've learned to assume it's from a man standing by the road, cigarette in tow, making all kinds of demands. Ooh, ooh.